Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. In today's video, we are going to learn how to get rewards in Candy Crush Saga. Let's begin. To get rewards in Candy Crush Saga is quite easy. You can do it by completing the levels such as boosters, extra moves, lives, higher level, or those with special objective often yields better rewards. Spin the wheel. Log into the game daily to spin the wheel. Daily spin wheel for reward like boosters and etc. Participate in events. Engage in limited time events or challenges that offers unique rewards. These may include levels, special boosters, and additional lives. Complete in-game challenges. Special challenges look for and complete in-game challenges or missions that offer rewards. These can be weekly or monthly challenges. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.